Hello everyone. Today my mom is going to be making this delicious orange fluffy cake. And look at the inside, how fluffy it is. Oh my god. If you want to watch this video and eat this cake, this video is for you. And happy Halloween. Alright guys, for this very delicious eggless Halloween orange cake, you will be needing 1 cup of wheat flour. We're going to be using all-purpose flour, but you can use anything for you. And 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. You can use powdered sugar or you can use chocolate, it's up to you. 1/4 cup of butter. You can use butter or vegetable oils, it's your choice. And 1 cup of orange juice. You can use homemade or store-bought. And you need 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Those are the ingredients for this orange cake. The first thing we're going to do is add our flour and our 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and our salt into a sieve, and you sieve the dry ingredients in a bowl and keep them aside. We have set our dry ingredients inside. Now we're going to add our powdered sugar and our butter into a separate bowl. And then we mix. You can use an electric beater or you can use a spoon. It's completely up to you. Now you can see the texture of the mixture. If you touch it, it should feel just like whipped cream. And now we are going to add our orange juice into our mixer and blend. Now, after we've mixed, add a little of the dry ingredients at a time and make it into a smooth batter without any lumps formed in it. After we've mixed our dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, you should have a batter like this. When you touch it, it shouldn't be too smooth, it shouldn't be too rough. It should be like water but a little thicker. Now you can see our batter is ready. Before we transfer it into the cake mold, we're going to add the 1 teaspoon of orange zest and mix well. After you've mixed the orange zest, at this point you can add nuts if you want to your cake mixture. Now we have put some cooking paper in a cake tin and we have greased it with oil. Now after we've transferred our batter into the cake tin and we're seasoning with some raisins. This step is optional. You don't need to if you don't want to. And then you put it in the oven for... Here we have a cake tin. You can use any kind of cake tin if you don't have the size, but we've put cooking paper and we've greased it with oil. Then we've transferred our cake mix and topped it with some raisins. The raisins is completely optional. You don't have to if you want to. And then you put it in a cooking oven. We have this kind of oven, and you put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Or you can take a toothpick and you can poke it in the cake. If it's sticking, then you need to cook it a little more. But if there's no batter on the toothpick, your cake is ready. And now our fluffy, very fluffy orange eggless cake is ready. You can wait for it to cool down and serve, or you can serve while hot. We forgot to mention in the ingredients list that you should add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, or custard powder. And now our delicious fluffy orange cake is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like, please like and share with other people so they can enjoy the same tastes you've had. And please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get all notifications. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Peace.